Hello students, welcome to Software's classes. Today we'll be solving the ISI Msqe question paper of year 2017. Today we'll be solving question number 26 and question number 27 from the paper. So let's begin with question number 26. In question number 26 it is said that for what values of x is x square minus 3x minus 2 is less than 10 minus 2x. The options are 4 less than x less than 9, x less than 0, minus 3 less than x less than 4, and none of the above. So these are the four options. So we have been given that x square minus 3x minus 2 is less than 10 minus twice of x. So this will give us x square minus x minus of 12 is less than 0. This will give us x plus 3 into x minus 4 is less than 0. Now if we put it in a number line, this will be our structure minus 3, 4. Now if you put the signs over here, this will be plus, minus and plus. And as such we can see that since this is negative, the product is negative, and x belongs to the open interval minus 3, 4, or we can say that x lies between 4 and minus 3, which is the option C. Now we'll move forward to the next question. The next question is question number 27. In question number 27 we are to find out the value of the integration which goes from the limit e to e square, and the integration is 1 upon x into log x whole cube dx. The options are 3 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 5 and minus 4 by 5. So we need to find out the value of the integration 1 by x into log x cube dx, and the limits are e and e square. So what we'll do, we'll take I equal to say, this is one assumption that we have made. Now let what we'll do is that we'll take log of x be equal to y. Now if we differentiate log of x, this will give us 1 by x dx is equal to dy. So now also at x equal to e square, y will be equal to log of e square, which is nothing but equal to 2, and at x equal to e, y will be equal to log of e, which will be equal to 1. So the integration I will now change from integration 1 to 2. Dx by x will be nothing but dy, and log x will be replaced by y cube. So this will be equal to y to the power minus 2 by minus 2, which will go from 2 to 1 to 2. So this is minus 2 will 1 this will come outside, and this will be equal to 1 by 4 minus 1, and this will be equal to 3 by 8, which is the option A. So today we have solved question number 26 and question number 27 from the ISI Msqe question paper of year 2017. We will be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Software's classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.